You've probably seen these viral AI face swap videos all over social media, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in under 5 minutes. So starting off, the first step is to record yourself doing whatever movements you want the AI to do, and this is the base footage the model is going to use later on. So now we're going to open up our browser and head to zoricai.com. So this is the AI image and video generation platform we're going to be using. This is all the AI models you need. You can find the link in the description. And yeah, we're going to start off by going to image generation and then Nano Banana Pro. And now we're going to get the first frame from our base footage. So in order to do that, we're going to go to lastframe.ai. You'll also find this in the description, and we're going to upload the video. Now we need the first frame in order to replace ourselves with the AI character, and then that's what the other video model is going to base the character off of, right? This exact frame. So let's call this first frame. All right, so we're going to upload this. And then we're gonna go on the internet and find a reference image of who we want to replace ourselves with. So let's do Madison Beer, for example. So let's just look for a good photo here. We can also use Pinterest. That's a really good option. We need a photo which has good lighting, which preferably looks like it was taken from an iPhone. And yeah. Right, so a lot of these, okay, so this looks like it was taken from an iPhone. This is probably the best one. And we can save the image here. And we can go ahead and put that into Zork. Right, so for the prompt, we're gonna keep it simple. This is what I always use. Replace the entire person in the first photo with the entire person in the second photo. Maintain the same pose as the person in the first photo. All right, pretty simple. And then we're gonna set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since our base motion is recorded on iPhone. We're gonna set quality to 2K, and yeah, we can generate and let it process. So now that it's finished generating, we have a few good results. Looking at them, I think this one looks the most, I mean, they all look pretty good. This one looks the most accurate though, so let's download this. We'll call this reference image. Let's take a closer look at it as well. Yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna go head over to video generation. And then we're gonna go to Kling motion control. Right, so this is where all the magic happens. This is where we create the actual video. Now, the first step is to upload our base footage. So we can upload that here. And then right after, we're gonna go ahead and upload the reference image, which we created. Now that we've got that done, we can toggle scene control, right? So this makes sure that we're using the background from the video and that it's as accurate as possible. And then we can generate. So we've got our first generation, and I realized we can also use 3.0 motion controls. Zork recently added this, and this is an even better working version of 2.6. So we can go ahead and generate with this as well. I'd recommend using 3.0 motion control, but if there are any issues with that, then going back to 2.6 works as well. All right, so our videos are done. They look pretty good so far. This one looks great. This is 3.0, this looks a little sharper. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below and I'll reply to all of you. So yeah, peace.